Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my video. So in today's video, I'll be doing cupcake flowers bouquet, and I'll be doing a mixture of white and chocolate cupcakes. So I'm finished. I'm gonna be filling some of them with the raspberry jam and just showing you the selection that I have. So actually I made all these cupcakes because I did a previous video. That tip right there I'm going to use to puncture the hole in the middle in order to fill the cupcakes. So I did a number 42 cupcake number, and I kind of used the same few minutes of this video in that video as well. So I'll be filling the cupcake, just the yellow ones, not the chocolate. The chocolate already has like double, triple chocolate. And I'll be using, I thought it had strawberry. I don't know what happened, but it was raspberry. So anyways, I'll be doing that. So there's a actual device that you could purchase to suck out the center, but I use a nice tip. It kind of stays in the tip a little bit. So I just took a little knife, took it out carefully because I wanted to fill the whole back like I am currently doing. And I'm using a fondant tool in order to cover the cupcakes. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm doing my buttercream. So I'm doubling everything because that day I did the 42, and I'll link it both. Okay, I did the number 42 cupcake. A lot of people use just cake and they cut down the middle, and that's a good, I like that option as well. But this day I had cupcakes, so I just decided to do it this way. So I'm doubling my icing recipe, which is normally 2 sticks of butter to 5 confectional sugar. So I kind of just double it, and I kind of just eyeball the milk because to do the flowers and the decoration on the cupcake, the buttercream icing has to be a certain consistency, a little bit thicker. If not, you could do the icing for roll icing, but those are so hard and my hands are so weak. I haven't done cake decorating in a while, so I'm just using my dyes food coloring in order to dye my icings. I'm keeping one white and the rest is purple and pink, and so I'm just gonna be mixing it together. So I'll be taking, I'm sorry guys, my son had his first game today, I'm exhausted. So I'm going to be taking the pink in order to adhere the cupcakes. Actually, no, I did that in the first video, my bad. See, I'm really, really tired out of it. So these are the supply for the bouquet. So I have plastic cups. Guys, don't buy plastic cups. Do you want the smaller cups as well? Because you cannot staple these together. They will not staple. I ended up had to do double-sided tape, which was kind of wasteful because I had to do the top portion and the bottom portion as well. But I had a lot, and I use these double-sided tape for my nail display board, and they don't really hold the nails too well. I have another double-sided tape that I have that works really good, but this one that I'm using, so I was just sitting there anyway. So, but I recommend, if you're going to do this, use not plastic cups. Okay, use wood because it was hard to staple them and I couldn't. So I'm just going to be putting them together, and I'll be doing pink and purple. Purple is for my neighbor. It's her birthday and I decided to gift this to her, and the pink is for my son's girlfriend and her mom, sorry. Guys, if you haven't done by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, yeah, so it was a Mother's Day gift for his girlfriend's mom, and then she got pink and my neighbor got purple. But silly me, I think one time to give them, I switched them around by accident. I think my neighbor got the pink and his girlfriend his mom got the purple. So I'm so sorry guys. Oh, I haven't been to a game or any school activity in like how many months, so this was hard. So anyways, yeah, I'm just putting it together. And you guys, if you don't want to do this, I'm telling you, it is kind of time consuming. If you don't want to do this, just get a nice container, and it's easier to, and then put like a foam ball or foam square, whatever if it's a circle, put a foam ball, and you could do it this way. And so you don't have to waste all these paper, trying to buy all paper. And so I'm using a napkin to kind of give it a green background. I also did the purple. So this is a cute trick to do, you guys, when you're doing an icing. This is basically, I use basically one icing bag, piping bag, for all the design that I did, because I just use this method right here by putting everything in this the cellophane wrap and then inserted it in the actual piping bag. And this is another way too to do multicolors. So I'll be doing this one. I love it. It was a cute idea I saw, which is taking a small marshmallow and cut it at a diagonal, put them in some kind of container, because then you're going to put any kind of sprinkles that you have and shake it up, and it will stick on the part that's sticky, and then you could use it after a while to do your bouquet of flowers. I think it was so cute. So I end up having the purple flakes, and I'll be shaking it up and then individually putting the marshmallows on the cupcake. But first you have to make sure you have icing on the cupcake. So that's what I did right there. So it came out really cute. I think I should have done all of them like this, but different colors. But I'll do it another time. Coming up, guys, I'll be doing a Elmo cake and some Sesame Street characters for my nephew's birthday. So I just did a little the little pearls and put them in the middle, and there you have one little bouquet. And for this one, I'm just trying to practice my piping, you guys. So my son and I took cake decorating at Michael's a while ago. My son wanted to follow the cake boss when he was younger, so I took it along with him. So I am not showing you how like these pros decorate cakes. I'm just showing you what I did for a neighbor and a gift. So, and I'm trying to make it real basic. I did purchase some of the Russian tips. So I want to practice how to use those. I got them like almost like a week prior to doing this video. I did try to do a couple of them, but the icing kept acting crazy on me because I put them in the refrigerator when I did it the day, and the next day I forgot to thaw it out way before, and it was too hard, and so I went to put them in the microwave for a tad bit, but then it became too soft, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna. The German Russian piping tips are really like, you really gotta make sure your icing consistency is like just perfect. So these are just, you see how it has a little purple and white to it, and that's because this icing bag with the wrap, I put the white and the purple inside, and that's how it came out like that. So this is just a basic star one, really simple and to the point. I couldn't even do flowers, like actual flower on a cupcake, because my icing was so soft. So I kind of did a little green grass. And then I just bought these wafer butterfly and wafer flowers from AliExpress. And they're edible, of course. And then I put that in a grass. I had purchased a bee mold, but they're so tiny. I was like, okay, that's going to be time consuming. I'll probably do it another time when I don't have like so much to do, because I did 2 bouquets, which is 7 cupcakes, and number 42, I think there were 9 each of the cupcakes. And I'll link that video, and I'll link this video to that video as well. So that's a wafer butterfly. And this one I was the yeah, I'm going to do this all the way around. So I've seen a lot of videos where people have beautiful, just neat, just beautiful. But this was like my first, and I'm so proud of myself because I haven't done any kind of decorating in a while. I think I literally have like 5 cake videos on here that I've done, but I haven't done any cake, period, because my kids don't really eat it. And so, anyways, this is how one of them look. This was supposed to be for my neighbor, but I switched it around and gave it to my son's girlfriend's mom by accident. But either way, I love how the bouquet look, especially for amateur like myself. And then I'll be doing also showing you which one I ended up using for the pink one. Yeah, today my son had his first high school game, and we drove literally like a 20-minute, or maybe a 20-minute place. That took like 40 minutes because of traffic. It's like the worst freeway ever because there's a lot of big trucks, and it was just tiring. I haven't been to a game in a while. So anyways, this is the pink one, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. So it's just a cute little idea. I mean, you could go to Pinterest and find better ones or better looking ones, but I just wanted to try because it was beautiful. It was Mother's Day. And so I think my favorite one is the marshmallows. Which one do you like the most? Yeah, they're real pretty. They came out nice. So anyways, it's just a cute little thing you can do for a friend or even for like a family's event. You don't have to buy them because they run about $10 per cupcake, and that could be like this right here is about $70 right here. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are always first to get my videos.